Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix sign out option not available due to some restrictions. So guys, many of you are complaining about you can't sign out your Apple ID because of some restrictions and your sign out option is grey out. But guys, don't worry, in this video I will tell you how to fix this issue. As you can see, I am having same issue. My sign out option is grayed out and it's saying that sign out is not available due to some restrictions. But guys, don't worry. I will tell you how to fix this. First of all, you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve these type of issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to settings, then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open the software update on your iPhone and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Then you have to do is simply go back and then go to screen time on your iPhone. Scroll down. You can see your option change screen time passcode. Simply tap on it. Now tap on turn off screen time passcode. Enter your screen time passcode and done. Now you have to do is simply go to settings again. Tap on your Apple ID. Or you can go back. Tap on general. Tap on screen time. Now tap on content and privacy restrictions. Tap on iTunes and App Store purchase. And done. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix sign out option not available due to some restrictions. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.